When the angle of elevation of plane B from Anuja's eyes is 30 degree, the plane's altitude is 675 meter above the ground. What is its horizontal distance from where Anuja is standing? Draw the figure and show your steps. Let this be the ground level and Anuja is standing at a point P. She is watching the plane B. The angle of elevation of plane B from Anuja's eyes is 30 degree and the plane's altitude is 675 meters. That is, the height of the plane from the ground is 675 meters. What is the horizontal distance from where Anuja is standing? Okay, so we have to figure out this distance PQ. In triangle PQB, since we know one angle and the side opposite to that angle, and we have to find out the adjacent side. So we will go in for tan 30 degree is BQ upon PQ. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. BQ is 675 by PQ. So PQ is 675 root 3 meters. This is the horizontal distance of Anuja from the plane B.